Buldak, Cheese Buldak, or what's more affectionately known as Korean fire chicken. I apologize, I don't remember the viewer's name, but sometime back one of our viewers recommended we make some Buldak chicken wings. Now, I'm not going to make chicken wings, but I am going to make some Buldak chicken thighs. Now, most recipes will call for gochujang paste. I don't have that. I have the sauce. It's a little thinner than the paste. This is a half a cup, and I'm going to start with about half of it. Okay? All right. Now here, what I got, I don't have the Korean dried chili powder, but I've got Kashmiri, which is the Indian. Now, I don't know, but what I read is it's Kashmiri is not as hot as the Korean powder. So here, I got 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper that we're going to add to it. All right. Got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I got 2 tablespoons here of sesame oil. All right. Now, it's supposed to be, from the videos I watch of other people doing it, I forget the lady's name. She's got like 7 million views, right? She must really know what she's doing. It's supposed to be garlicky, supposed to be gingery. So I got 6 cloves of minced garlic. And what I got here is 2 inches of chopped up fresh ginger. Okay? So, it's supposed to be garlicky, supposed to be gingery. I think we're on the right track. Okay? Now, we got to mix this up. I already made a mess, didn't I? And when you use the paste, the gochujang paste, it's kind of thick, right? And this looks like this is going to be just fine as well. I mean, I'll try to give you a close-up of that. I mean, that's fairly thick, right? Yeah, so I think using the gochujang sauce will be just fine, but we'll find out come taste test time. Okay. All right. Now let me get my chicken. Here, I've got 6 boneless chicken thighs. Okay. Now, I know this isn't the best knife for trimming them up, but as I mentioned, it is Super Bowl day, and I'm trying to minimize the number of dishes I have to wash today. We're doing a couple of different recipes. All right. So, we're going to use this same knife that I used to mince the ginger and those garlic cloves. So as soon as I get this, whatever you want to call it, yellow fat, or at least most of it anyway, trimmed off these chicken thighs, we'll pick this video right back up. All right, so I got these chicken thighs, for the most part, cleaned up. You can see I got that extra fat there. Now what I'm going to do is bring another bowl over here. Okay. Put these chicken thighs in here. Right. And then we're going to take that Korean gochujang paste, get it in here. Now I just got a little water. Right, I want to get all that goodies out. I don't know, that might be, I don't know, somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 cup. I just want to get as much of this goodness out of this bowl. Okay. And let's get that in there. All right. Now what we want to do is make sure this chicken gets super good and coated with this deliciousness. Okay, so this is a job for your hands. And I should have rolled these sleeves up ahead of time, but anyway, live and learn. Okay. And there you have it. Goodness, goodness, goodness. We've got this Pit Boss set at 350 degrees. And the way I'm going to cook this today is right over the direct heat. I want to get some of that nice char. Oh, I can't get over the cool color this stuff has. Fire chicken. Looks like I got just a little bit of that sauce left in the bottom. I'm going to put it right up on that bad boy. That's it. pull this down and let it go maybe 2 minutes. We'll check it then. It's been maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes. All right. Oh, yeah, looking good. Oh, you got some nice char. I'll tell you, I'm looking forward to trying this. I've never had it. Now this piece, these two aren't over the fire as much, so I doubt that they're going to have as much char on them. Not too bad. All right, let's get this lid back down. Get some nice smoke on there too. Using hickory pellets today. It's been maybe another 2 minutes. Okay. Just gonna flip them over again. Ah, we're doing good. I don't even think that one needs to be flipped. Let's have a look here. Oh, looking good. All right. Let's look at that. It's got some gorgeous color on it, I'll say that. It's been about 15, 18 minutes. This chicken's about done. I'm going to get it off here. Our chicken thighs have been resting here, I don't know, 7, 8 minutes. And now all we're going to do is cut it into bite-sized pieces, okay? You decide what a bite size is for you. I mean, some of these you can see, ooh, look at that. Look how juicy. I'm telling you, this is going to be out of this world. I can just feel it. Tender. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. You'll see in a minute. You want this to be bite size. That is what I'm talking about. You can see we got our chicken now all cut up. Let me get that knife out of the way. Now I'm going to scoop this chicken over. Got a cast iron, small cast iron skillet. You can use one bigger than this, of course, if you want. Okay, we're going to get that chicken in there. Okay. Now I'm going to take that same gochujang sauce that we use. I'm going to just drizzle it on there. How much? I don't know. Maybe 3 tablespoons. Now, look at this. We've got mozzarella cheese. Okay? That's right. You don't want cheese? Don't put cheese. I've got 8 ounces. I'm going to use it all. 8 ounces. And by the way, I started out with 1.8 pounds of chicken thighs. All right. Now we're going to put this back on this Pit Boss. I got it away from the heat. You know, the fire's up here. We're going to use it like an oven now. Look at all that deliciousness. It's been 20 minutes. Took me a while to get that cheese melted. But you can see I moved it over just a few inches. We're going to get it off of here. Set this down here. And now what I've got here is a little green onion. Okay. Just the green part all chopped up. Right. All right. So I'm going to let this sit here 4 or 5 minutes. I don't want to burn my mouth. And I'm going to go get the Spice Queen, and we'll do a taste test. Ooh. Spice Queen's here. Korean fire chicken.
It looks delicious.
Make sure I don't burn myself.
Oh, look at that. It's all juicy.
Yeah, look at that. Cheesy.
Yeah, that looks so good.
So you're going to want a piece of chicken, no doubt.
Well, yeah.
With the cheese.
I like Yardbird.
Look at that. You can see that sauce all.
Ooh, I love cheese.
Okay, so just a minute.
I'm so
okay,
excited.
that's going to have to be a big bite because I can't make it little.
I have a big mouth.
Oh, look at that. Sauce on that chicken melted and it's kind of juicy on the bottom.
I had a casualty.
Ooh. Look at that goodness. Wait a minute. I get a big bite, I'll be spilling it all out my mouth and everything else.
Okay.
And you ready? And go.
Yes. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. It's super good.
It's super juicy.
It's really good.
I was so afraid. It took me, I think, 20 minutes to get the cheese melted. You know, I was experimenting. But the sauce on the chicken kind of melted down.
That's
I
really
don't
good.
know how well that comes out. You see that? Look how juicy. Maybe I can show it on this side. I'll heal up a little bit.
Yeah, it's so juicy and so
See
good.
if you can see it. Look at it. There's juice down on the bottom of that. Oh,
There's a bunch of juice.
it is cheesy.
It's really good.
It's got a little spice to it.
A little bit. I mean, it's like a,
It's
I
got,
don't know, maybe like a 4 or something.
yeah. Now, one thing I would have done, in hindsight, I would have done differently. I would have put a little honey in with it. Sweet is always good with spice. Don't get me wrong. It's delicious. It is absolutely delicious.
Or a little agave.
But a little honey, when we made the original, sauce, would be
Yeah.
great. Really?
It's delicious.
Great
I
Super
love
Bowl
it.
food, huh?
Yeah, I love it.
Hey, thanks so much for watching.